These are my POOJA silver items. Became black by regular usage, and I got a cleaning tips from my neighbor SOUMYA. Here is the paste of Colgate powder, eating soda, and vinegar. So I will try to clean it and show you what is the result. Okay, so now I am dipping my brush with this paste, and I'm just trying to apply on it. Yes, it looks clean. Wow, it's changing its color. Yes.
What color is it becoming now?
It's coming to real silver color, baby. So it has to come like this actually. But I think 2 or 3 times I will be using then.
Oh, so my mom is brushing that so it becomes all gray and stuff. So let's see. For some couple more. It will take for a very long time, really.
Okay, I will show you after doing.
Okay.
So guys, you can see the ideals are really shining more. But if I will do it every week, I think it will be completely like the original white silver.
It's the original white silver.
So this is the end result. And the shining bright. Ignore this because we don't use much. Originally it was new, but rest of the things are shining well. Maybe by repeated usage of the same ingredients, I will get like real silver. These flowers are also very minute, so I couldn't do it well. Thank you, SOUMYA, for your tips. It worked well. And next time onwards, I will make sure that my POOJA stuff will shine more brighter. Thanks a lot.